Are you interested in divorce mediation, but wondering if you can have your lawyer present or what the role of the attorney is in divorce mediation? I'm Katherine Miller, and I've been a divorce mediator for 30 years, maybe more, in New York and Connecticut. And, that's really up to you. Yes, it is a very good idea for anybody involved in divorce, whether or not it's in mediation or any other process, to have their own attorney and to have that attorney there to give them personalized, individual, confidential guidance and advice and information that they might not get in the mediation process. And it can be super helpful to have the lawyers in the mediation session themselves if a conversation about the law is going to be a big piece of the conversation. It can also be super helpful to have the lawyers in the session if it feels right to the partners, to the spouses, to have the support of someone who's there just for them. But it can also be disruptive to the process if those lawyers are trying to take over the mediation process and trying just to have what you think of as on a television lawyer's argument. That is not super helpful, and it can be super expensive to watch your lawyers just bicker and pay both them and the mediator to watch them do that. So the way to make sure that that doesn't happen is to, first of all, think about the value of having the lawyers in that mediation session. Will it be valuable? If so, in what way? And be super clear with the mediator what the value of the attorneys are there. Then let the mediator have a conversation with the attorneys offline together, making sure that all three of the professionals totally understand the role of the mediator and the role of the attorneys in there, and agree that the point of having the lawyers there is to support the parties in the mediation negotiation. When that's all in place, having the attorneys there can be really helpful, but it may not be necessary. That's really up to you. If you're interested in learning more about mediation, whether or not it's right for you, click on the link below and I'll send you over our guide as to deciding, is mediation right for you? And thanks for listening.